Okay, so dear students, now we have next question, that is design a DFA over AB such that the accepting string must start with A, B, A. Must start with A, B, A. So first step is we have to think about the language. Smallest string in this case is ABA itself. After this ABA, there may be any combination of any number of times A can come, any number of times B can come, or any other combination of A and B after ABA. So ABA is the common part and the starting part, keep in mind. So we have three symbols in this string. Must start with ABA. It means we have initial state Q naught. So first symbol is A. We have another state Q1. Then second symbol is B. We have another state Q2. Third symbol is A. So we have a state Q3. So smallest string in this case is ABA. So ABA is going to be accepted. That's why Q3 is the final state. So after this ABA, there can be any number of times A or B can come. So that's why we are using a self loop with A comma B, both symbols. Now we have to complete this diagram. Now come to the first state, initial state, that is Q naught. So Q naught has already responded to Q1, to A, but not to B. So if B will come here, it means we are going towards a new state, and that state is dead state. After this B, there may be any number of times A or B, but that is not going to be accepted. As for the given condition, the string must start with A, B, A. So similarly, if at Q1 we have A, so A is not going to be accepted. So that's why this is also going towards the state Q4, which is a dead state. Similarly, at Q2, if we have B, so A, B, B, A, or any combination like this is disturbing the given condition, that is string must start with ABA. So that's why we have taken dead state with the input symbol B. Now you can observe every state is responding to these two elements, these two symbols, that is A comma B. So Q0 responds to A as well as to B. Q1 responds to A as well as B. Q2 responds to A as well as B. Similarly Q4 and Q3. And in this case Q3 is the final state. So now these type of questions where the string must start with something. So we have taken three examples one by one. So you can observe the pattern, you can observe the phenomena, and also one thing more, you can check this diagram by taking any random example. Suppose we have taken an example BB. So is it going to be accepted? As per the given question, AB is there. So after this any element, not a problem. So this thing is going to be accepted. Let's check one by one. The first input symbol is A, it means we are at Q1. Second symbol B, we are at Q2. Third symbol is A, so we are at Q3. So after this we have B two times. So it means this loop will work. So B once, second time B, so we are at the end, we are at the final state. So that's why this string is going to be accepted. So that's all for this question. Next we will start the question that the string must accepted end with something. These are the three questions that related with the string must start with something. So now we are going to discuss the questions which are going to be having the string type where the string must end with something. Thank you for this.